Enhancing your digital security, Microsoft VPN Client with VPN Book. In a world where digital security and privacy are of utmost importance, the utilization of VPNs has soared to new heights. These ingenious tools empower individuals to protect their online activities from prying eyes and potential threats. Microsoft, a tech giant renowned for its innovations, offers its VPN client. Pairing it with VPN Book emerges as a popular and accessible choice for those looking to bolster their online security. Microsoft's VPN client, an integral feature within Windows operating systems, facilitates secure connections to remote networks. It's the digital armor shielding your data during your online ventures. VPN Book, on the other hand, is a third-party VPN service. When configured with Microsoft's VPN client, it acts as the extra layer of protection that many seek to fortify their online privacy. This dynamic duo is predominantly designed for Windows users, and while it may not be as universally compatible as some other options, it presents a robust solution. The advantages of Microsoft VPN Client with VPN Book. Unwavering security and encryption. By harnessing the combined power of Microsoft VPN Client and VPN Book, you're enveloped in a cocoon of security through state-of-the-art encryption protocols. Your data remains impervious to potential cyber threats, ensuring your digital world stays confidential and protected. Cost efficiency at its best. VPN Book extends the olive branch with its free VPN service, which translates to a cost-effective choice for users on a budget. This partnership between Microsoft VPN Client and VPN Book offers a haven of security without the burden of extra expenses. A global network of servers. VPN's expansive server network unlocks the world for you. You can seamlessly access content from various regions, evading geo-restrictions while safeguarding your online privacy. Your digital wanderlust knows no bounds. The sanctuary of no-logs policies. Both Microsoft VPN Client and VPN Book hold fast to the sacred tenets of no-logs policies. This means they don't leave behind the breadcrumbs of your online activities. Your privacy ascends to a higher realm, untouched by prying eyes. User-friendly configuration. Configuring VPN Book with Microsoft's VPN Client is a walk in the digital park. Even if you're a novice in the world of VPNs, the process is intuitive and doesn't demand advanced technical prowess. It's a seamless transition into enhanced online security.